In the realm of Android tablets, forgotten passwords can be a real headache. Imagine your device, a vault of information, locked away from you. But fear not, we have a solution that works 100% of the time to unlock your tablet. No password needed. First, forge a connection between your tablet and your computer using a USB or Type-C cable. Now, initiate the TroyKit software on your PC or Mac and select the Screen Unlocker feature. As you wait for the configuration file to prepare, anticipate the next move. Click Remove Now and follow the instructions in the TroyKit. Next, put your tablet into recovery mode and select Reboot System. Like magic, the unlock process begins automatically, and when it's done, the familiar welcome screen greets you. Complete a few setups and voila! Access to your tablet is regained. Remember, no lock is unbreakable. With the right tools and instructions, you can reclaim your device without a sweat. If you found this tutorial helpful, like, share, and subscribe for more tips. See you next time for another exciting tutorial. Until then, happy exploring!